Right, today I'm just going to craft some hearts for myself. I've got these blanks, but I want to show you you can do it with your piece of cardboard as well. So I've just traced that one and that one on the piece of cardboard with a pencil, and now I'm just going to cut it out. You can use a scissor as well, but I don't know, I can't get the hang of it with a scissor. So I'm just going to speed this up that you don't need to watch everything. You can see with a craft knife it's rather easy to cut through this. You just need to go a few times through, and there you can see it's didn't usually if I use a scissor it tends to I don't know what you call it, do this. So I'm not going to bore you with this. I'm just going to cut this quickly out, and then I will show you what I'm going to do. Now you can just take a scissor and maybe just take off that pieces there if there's something that bothers you. Now I'm just going to make a smaller one for me to fit there as well, but I'm going to do that off camera. So I will see you when all three is cut out. Okay, for now I'm just going to glue it with wood glue, like that. And then when it's dry I will come and do something on top of it. I just want to take off this piece of tape that's stuck on down here. So I'm just going to let this dry, and then I'll come back and I'll do something on top of this. You can just maybe place something flat on top of this to press it down a little bit, or you can just leave it like that. It doesn't really matter, but I'll see you when this is dry. Okay, it's almost dry, so I'm just going to make a hole around about there. And I'm just using a bamboo skewer. As soon as I come at the back side, I just go again to the front, and I just wiggle it through to make a nice round hole there where I can put the string through. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take some texture paste, and I'm going to use my small palette knife first, because I want to go into all these sides to fill up all these gaps on the sides of the cardboard. So first of all I'm just going to do that quickly. Oh, just a moment, my cat wants attention now here at the side of my leg. Ouch. Let me just quickly give her attention. I'm back now. I can't understand why they usually wait until you're busy with something that you can't leave, because it dries too quickly, and then they want all the love that I can get. But when you want to cuddle them or give them attention, they just, ouch, they just want, they don't want anything to do with you. But let you just get busy with something, then they're there. It's like they've got a sixth sense or something. Okay, I'm just going to quickly, as this dries quickly, it's hot at the moment. I just want to quickly fill up all these gaps. If she just gives me oh shoo, just digging her nose into my leg. So I don't want this, I sometimes go with it, but I don't want this to show today. So maybe I must use my finger. Let me just see if that doesn't work better, quicker. I think I'm almost everywhere. Now I can just maybe smear the whole thing with my texture paste while I'm at it. I'm gonna do the back as well. So before I do the back, I will just let this dry first. I'm just patting my fingers onto it just to give it a little bit more texture. And then just make certain your hole is open. And now I'm just going to quickly put this in the sun to dry, and then I will do the back as well. So see you when this is dry. Okay, this is dry now, so I just want to set some, put something here on top. I want to actually make a longer one that I can hang it from. Maybe I must take this one. Just gonna thread it down there. And then I just want to take some of this odds and ends that I've got. I'm just going to cut it off. I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm going to put it there. And just knot it first, just to get everything. And then I'm going to knot it there so that I can hang it from. Now you can decide if you want to make it bolder, or if this is already too much for you, you can leave it aside, but that's what I'm gonna do with mine. And maybe just fix that bow a little bit better there. This can make a very nice gift tag, or I think this can look very nice on a box of chocolates or something for somebody for Valentine. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I will definitely see you next time, and take care.